Shri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. So, Guru is Krishna. Here is the example given by Arjuna. Prichyami Tma. Who is that man? Krishna. Why you are asking me? Dharma sangamurachita. I am builder in my duties. Dharma. Dharma means duty. Dharman sakshat bhagavad sangamurachita. So, what I have to do? Jat Shreya. What is actually my duty? Shreya. Shreya and Priya. Priya, there are two things. Priya means which I like immediately. Very nice. And Shreya means ultimate goal. There are two things. Just like a child wants to play all day. That is childish nature. That is Shreya. And Priya means he must take education so that in future his life will be settled up. That is Priya. Shreya. So Arjuna is asking not prayer. He is asking instruction from Krishna, not for the purpose of confirming his Shreya. Shreya means immediately he was thinking that I shall be happy by not fighting, not by killing my kinsman. That he was like a child he was thinking. Shreya. But when he came to his consciousness, not actually consciousness because he is intelligent, he is asking for prayer, Shreya. Jat Shreya Syat. What is actually my ultimate goal of life? Jat Shreya Syat. Jat Shreya Syat Nishchitam. Nishchita means fixed up, without any mistake. Nishchita. In Bhagavad there is called Nishchita. Nishchita means you haven't got to make research. It is already settled up. This is the decision. So, because we are, with our teeny brain, we cannot find out what is the actual nishchitang fixed up Shreya. That we do not know. That you have to ask from Krishna or the representative. These are the things. Jat Shreyasyad nishchitang bruhi ton me. Say, kindly, speak to me that. So why shall I speak to you? And here it says, Shishyaste aham. Now I am accepting you as my guru. I become your Shishya. Shishya means whatever you will say, I will accept. That is Shishya. The Shishya word comes from Shasdhatu. Shasdhatu, Shastra, Shastra, Shasan, Shishya. These are from the same root. Shasdhatu. Shasdhatu means ruling. So we can rule in various ways. We can be ruled becoming a Shishya or a proper Guru. That is Shasdhatu. Or we can be ruled by Shastra, weapon. That's why a king has got weapon. If you don't follow the king's instruction or government instruction, then there is police force, military force. That is Shastra. And there is Shastras. Shastra means book. Scripture, just like Bhagavad-gita. Everything is there. So we must be ruled either by Shastra, Shastra or Guru, or becoming Shishya. Therefore it is said, Shishyastyam. I become voluntarily. I surrender unto you. Now you become Shishya. What is the proof that you have become my Shishya? Sadhimang swang prabannam. Now I am fully surrendered. Prabhupada. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.